Yeah. I'm just in the bus sitting sideways, waiting to looking all. Got some pretty good beats on this 808 to see, yeah. Memories speak so sitting on stage. I wanna put tints on my windows, but what's different? If I feel like a ghost of swag, ever since I lost my way, I've had this black suit on, rolling around like I'm ready for a funeral. One more mile till the road runs out. I'm about to drive in the ocean. I'ma try to swim from something bigger than me. Kick off my shoes. It's one good, it's one good. Take off this suit. It's one good, it's one good. I'm going up. No try stopping me.
So I changed my comfy clothes and it's time to get these tasks done. I'm actually so excited because, child, I need this task. I need this task to be done. Okay, they are a lot, they're on my mind, and I want to get rid of them. Okay, as I said before, I'm going to be using a Notion template, which I'm actually going to be creating right now. I have been doing it without a Notion template, and I'm like, I want a Notion template. I have a Notion template for everything, every single thing that you could possibly think of, you guys. I have a Notion template for it, so I'm going to be creating that. What I usually like to do is go to YouTube, check Michelle B, because she's actually the person that made me even think of doing this in the first place. And she has this like brain jump exercise where you just like, she just asks you questions just for you to remember all the things that you have to get done.
Told you all about my new app, Intention, which is filled with mindset self-care exercises from book in this video. We've extended the founding members discount for a little.
Okay guys, so we are done with that and I am done with it. As you can see, this is everything that I was able to come up with. Not that much, so thank God. So what I'm just going to do now is that I'm just going to, like, you know, add the tags to them. So this is what I have come up with. So what I just did was that I just filtered all the tasks. These are all the tasks that I came up with. So I just gave them, you know, tags, the highest priority, high, medium, low, the effort, low, medium, high, and then the category, where is it? So digital, office, phone, all of that. So because this is a lot and it's quite intimidating because I don't exactly know where to start, what I just did was that I just created another table, and it's showing only the high priority stuff, right? The only things that I need to get done, that I have decided that, you know what, this is high priority for me. So these are the things that I came up with, and then I also arranged it according to effort. I think that I am definitely going to do the high effort things first, because if I do the low effort things first, I'm gonna get tired and then I'll not be able to do the high effort thing. So I'm gonna do the high efforts thing first, which is change the desk wallpaper. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, it's so dirty, it's already removing. So yeah, we need to do something about that. So this is wallpaper that I bought. It's adhesive, which I really like. This one that is here, it's not adhesive, so I had to put thumbtack. There's it, thumbtacks, thumbtacks, because it's not sticky. So yeah, as you can see, it's just really dirty and just, yeah. Oh, and did I mention that I actually set a timer for a Pomodoro timer, because me and Pomodoro, we're like this, okay, we're best friends because it just makes things so much easier. So I'm going to be working for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes is done, I'm going to rest for 5 minutes so that I don't burn myself out. This is because I use so it's really sticky.
I'm sitting sideways, waiting to looking all the time. Time is a minute, take time. Told you I couldn't really draw the line. Line ringing, saying that you told
Okay. Things that you good. But I don't like this.
You were somebody I would stand behind. I know you like to drink till the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer, ride for your brother, die for your mother, keep that shit a hundred. I know you wanna vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post on Insta. Your friends say they miss you, but they don't really miss you.
I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I did this. It looks so good. It looks so nice. I mean, look at it. Like, it's giving. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with this. So I'm just gonna take it off. I actually don't want to see anyone that I've already done, just so I can have the satisfaction of one thing going. So I'm just going to filter it. Is unchecked. So as you can see, it goes off. So if I check this one, it's gonna go. So I'm just going to do that. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do the arrange passwords next.
I know you like to drink till the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer, ride for your brother, die for your mother, keep that shit a hundred. I know you wanna vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post on Insta. Your friends say they miss you, but they don't really miss you.
What the fuck? This ain't shut down, nigga. Cut them down. What the fuck? I ain't gon' get hot, but you down. You the same clown.
Guys, oh my god, I'm so happy. It's been such a success. Able to do the arrange passwords. I was able to do the journal templates, make my journal template questions, because the questions were just unnecessarily long, like child. So I just made them a little. Wait, this did not save. Oh my god. Oh my god. Freaking plot twist. I wasn't saving the changes I was making. Oh my god. Oh, there's no time. I have just one 25 minutes, work thing to do. Oh my god. Wanted a space, like a page where I can just come, tasks, I just put them here, ideas, put them here, notes, put them here. So
Now you pull up in my, cause you wanna be down. Okay.
my god, you guys have no idea how happy I am that I was able to do this, because the stress of thinking, oh, what will Rex eat, no more. I'm just gonna add this to my own timetable, to my daily dashboard. Daily dashboard. Yeah, of these candles to buy. I know this one because this is the one that I have here. It's really good. The throw is really nice, like you can smell it all over the room. But I'm thinking I'm gonna like a sweet almond, so I don't exactly know, and it's the same price, so I don't know. I really don't know what to do, but I think I'm going to go with this. Go with this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. So I have made my choice. I checked the reviews. The scent is not strong enough, so we're just gonna go with this one. Guys, I literally have just 2 tasks left and I'm so happy. Okay, so let's do the MTN router. So the thing about the MTN router is that I have SpectraNet, and I was using SpectraNet, we've been using SpectraNet, but SpectraNet is moving mad, okay, because why would I subscribe and the data just won't work? Okay, so we also have this MTN router, so I was like, okay, let me see what's up with this. Literally do not have the time, and then my phone always acts crazy when I'm using my hotspots, and it's just so annoying. It's like, bro, like it gets hot and all that, so I'm thinking I just need to, you know, just see what this is about and see if it's worth it, because me, I'm really like big on the unlimited, but I'm just like and also the thing is that I'm going to have to call them because it's my mom's number, so I don't know how to like get through to it. Let me call them. Sha. That one hash. This is a lot, man. Okay, no, so I want to call with how do I do it? Okay, number. Oh my god, guys, I fucked up. I should have just used this template first. You know, I should have done my plan before I even do anything, because child, this thing, it just clocked to me that I should have literally just taken it. Yes, I should have just taken this to the office. So sadly, yeah. So in case you're wondering, do I really need this? I'm going to remember everything. I'm going to write it down. No, get this template so that you can just write down everything. So of course it's not going to look like this. It's going to be more user friendly. I'm going to like give, you know, the order of steps, but yeah, at least I was able to get all of these done, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, like I said, the template is going to be down in the description box, free download. So yeah, that's just that for that. Thank you so much for coming on this day with me. I really hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that it has motivated you to go and do those things that you need to do but that you're putting off. Okay, use this template, allocate just 6 hours in your schedule to do this, and you're gonna love it. Okay, you're going to feel so good. That's it for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.